Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly unique and delicious, pickled waterblommetjies. For those of you unfamiliar, waterblommetjies are also known as Cape pondweed, and they are a special treat here in South Africa, particularly in the Western Cape. Today I'll show you how to turn these delicate flowers into a sweet, flavourful pickle that you can enjoy with a cheese and biltong board. We always start by giving them a good wash. Open them up and get in there to remove any twigs or sand, and I've even found a small acorn. These little beauties grow in the dams and marshes of the Western Cape, and they've perfectly adapted to our winter rains. They bloom at just the right time, and if you don't harvest them quickly, well, the ducks might beat you to it. Trust me, they know how good these are. This is just an example of how dirty the water can get when you give them a good wash. This is such an easy recipe and you don't need a lot of ingredients. Today I'm pickling 1.5 kilograms of waterblommetjies. So firstly we'll start by adding 3 cups of sugar to our pot. All you'll need is sugar, white wine vinegar, coriander, black peppercorns and cinnamon sticks. And obviously your flowers. For the amount of flowers that we'll be pickling, I'm using 2 500ml bottles of white wine vinegar. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns and 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. Let's give it a good stir before we add our cinnamon sticks. For this recipe, we're using 6 cinnamon sticks. You'll notice that I'm adding broken pieces of cinnamon sticks because it's sometimes so difficult to find whole cinnamon twirls. I've actually noticed that only Woolworths and food lovers mostly stock whole cinnamon twirls. Now let's turn on the heat and stir the white wine vinegar, sugar, coriander, black peppercorns and cinnamon sticks until the sugar dissolves. Then we toss in the flowers. Give your flowers a good stir, just so that we can ensure they're all covered in the brine. Let's cover the pot and wait for the brine to simmer. While we wait for the brine, let's sterilize our bottles. I like putting my bottles in the microwave for just over a minute. Let's check on the brine. Our bottles are ready, so let's put them aside until it's time to bottle the flowers. And in the meantime, I'm boiling the lids on the stovetop until it's time to seal the bottles. Once your brine starts boiling, they're ready to bottle. Now pack your waterblommetjies into sterilized jars and pour the hot brine over them. Make sure they're fully submerged. Seal the jars and let them cool. I always like to divide the colors of the flowers equally between the different bottles. You'll see there's a lot of reds and greens. And that way you show off the vibrant colors of the flowers in your bottles. And this is especially beautiful if you're showcasing them on a shelf in your kitchen. Now let's seal all our jars. Let it stand for about 24 hours to cool down completely, and then you can pack them away. If you've never tried these before, you're in for a real South African treat. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, unique recipes from South Africa and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy pickling!